Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hopefully the rainy and gloomy weather didn't keep you from getting those afternoon plans in on this Sunday, but it does look like heading into the new work week, you're going to want to keep that umbrella nearby along with the rain gear, as more showers will be pushing in not only tomorrow, but just about each and every day throughout the week ahead. So it does look like not the best week to be working outside. Taking a look on the satellite and radar picture, we can see very similar to yesterday. Still have that frontal boundary extending from the mid-Atlantic down through the Tennessee Valley, back through Arkansas, and making its way into the eastern portions of Texas. Out ahead of that, we continue to have that southerly flow bringing Gulf of Mexico moisture, continuing to get those showers and storms to fire up in and across our area this afternoon, but still seeing some more showers back along the Texas line that could swing through a little later on tonight and into tomorrow morning. So although we're seeing a break in the rain, we might not be done with the rain just yet for at least our Sunday. Taking a closer look at home, you can see the showers and storms that we did have work from west to east across the area around 2-3 o'clock this afternoon have now pretty much moved out of the area. Most of us are beginning to dry out, even a few peaks of sunshine now beginning to move through the clouds, but we will be with the clouds through a good part of this evening. And as mentioned, you do see those showers off to our west. Those will be trying to make their way in and across the area. So you can see, stop this around 10 o'clock. The model shows 1 or 2 isolated showers, mainly over western portions of Acadiana. So I won't rule out the stray shower possibility a little later on this evening. Then heading into the overnight hours, that's when I think the coverage gets a little better. We'll stop this around 3 o'clock. You can see maybe even here in Lafayette beginning to see a shower over towards Lake Charles. Could see a decent line trying to move through. This will continue even closer towards daybreak. So here around 5:30, you can see it does look like a more scattering of showers will be with us. So the roadways could be wet tomorrow morning heading off to work. So keep that in mind. You might want to give yourself just a couple extra minutes as the traffic might be a little bit slower, especially along the interstate if you're heading out to the west towards Lake Charles. Our other model shows a similar picture, maybe a little better coverage by tomorrow morning. Most of it, though, still down closer to the Gulf Coast and out to the west. So I'll go with about a 40% chance that we're waking up to at least a few isolated light showers to begin our Monday. By the afternoon, the model kind of breaks it apart, but you can see around 4 o'clock, again, beginning to see those isolated showers developing during the afternoon, continuing maybe into the evening. Similar story for your Tuesday. Could be waking up to some morning showers, maybe some breaks, but then a possibility for more hit or miss showers during the afternoon. So it's just going to be one of those on again, off again patterns for at least the next couple of days. And even into our Wednesday, no real change, and actually a little better system will be heading our way as we're watching a front that'll be dropping down. It's going to kind of stall out over the northern portion of the state, but you can see as we continue to have that southerly flow, a good chance for scattering showers and storms come Wednesday afternoon. So it looks like a good rain chance the next several days. Out in the tropics, still continuing to watch a few weak systems making their way through. We got this spin up here. That is now tropical or subtropical storm Leslie. Still keeping an eye on tropical storm KIRK and what is left of the remnants of tropical depression 11, but you can see those have pretty much fizzled out. And this system that is just to the south from Bermuda, it's continuing the weekend and now just only has a 30% chance of development as it heads towards the Carolinas. So not expecting a whole lot from that. But we'll start with tropical storm KIRK. Here's the latest on it. 40-mile-an-hour winds. You can see most of the convection on the western side, kind of some drier air getting wrapped around on the east. So still not overly that organized. It'll race, though, off to the west by about Monday and the Tuesday, heading towards the Les Antilles by the mid part of the upcoming week. Not expecting a whole lot of strengthening, still remains just a tropical storm strength, but will be a weak storm as it moves through the islands and then makes its way into the Caribbean by the mid part of the week. Also, subtropical storm Leslie, not overly that organized, but does have winds up to 40 miles per hour. It's going to pretty much fizzle out in the coming days and remain pretty stationary over the open water, so no issues with Leslie in the coming days. So for your evening, warm and muggy, mostly cloudy, 75 for the overnight low. 75 is where we'll be the start today. 88 tomorrow. Few peaks of morning sunshine, but again, times of showers and storms will be possible throughout the entire day. And you see no real changes to that forecast all week long. 50-60% chance for those hit or miss showers. It's not going to be a complete washout any day, but a good chance you at least get a passing shower through the next 5 days. Rolling chances do go down by next week.
All right.